At Solent University, our top priority is supporting the well-being of our students. If at any point during your studies you experience any issues that are troubling you, our dedicated mental health and therapy team can offer a range of support to help. No problem is too big or too small. The friendly team offer a variety of free support depending on your needs, including talking therapies such as single session therapy, counselling and CBT, workshops and courses, hypnotherapy, and if appropriate, an appointment with a mental health advisor. Therapy can help offload what's bothering you, explore what is causing you distress, and help you overcome obstacles and identify a way forward. Students from all backgrounds can access our service, and our staff are trained and experienced in working with issues of diversity, including sexuality, gender identity, culture, and ethnicity. Before you even arrive at Solent, we can also refer you to a mental health advisor to ensure all support services are in place ready for your arrival. However, well-being isn't all about looking after the mind. Taking care of physical health is just as important, and our sports complex offers you the perfect place to do that, offering state-of-the-art health, fitness, and well-being equipment. Finally, remember that being at university means that you are part of a community and you are never alone. There is always a wide range of support available to help guide you through. If you have any questions regarding the support Solent offers, just get in touch with our friendly team via email on therapy.mh@solent.ac.uk.